Hi guys, kakapasok lang ng good news na approve yung pangatlong critical illness claim na in-apply ko dito sa pangatlong client na to. Sobrang saya ko for today. Ewan ko kung nararamdaman ba to ng mga ibang advisor. Once na na-receive na nila yung email that your claim has been approved, sobrang saya. So ngayon, actually last week, na-approve na yung kanyang hospital income benefit. Nakuha ko na nga yung check So ayan yung itsura niyan guys. As in Adel Shermaine Morales, ayan yung branch namin, name 3. Sabi ko bubuksan ko to kapag ka nakuha ko na yung kanyang minor critical illness claim. So, papakita ko sa inyo ngayon yung email ni Sun Life. So, actually guys, kaming mga advisors, nakaka-receive talaga kami ng email once na na-approve na yung claim na in-apply ng client namin. So, dear Mrs. Morales, I'd like to inform you that the minor CI claim or critical illness claim on angioplasty and other invasive treatment for coronary artery disease has now been approved. Ganon. Yun. So guys, totoo ang insurance. Sobrang saya ko lang talaga. I just want to share it with you. Sabi niya dito, we're now preparing the disbursement and the check will be delivered to your preferred mailing address within 3 to 5 working days. Thank you very much, Sun Life, for remaining true to your promise, to our clients. So, pangatlong critical illness benefit claim ko na to, and praise God naman, lahat talaga ng client natin gumaling, no? Nakatulong pa rin itong amount na binigay ni Sun Life sa kanila from their insurance policy. So, if you are thinking of getting an insurance or iniisip mo for now na parang, dami ko nakikita, scam, I'm telling you now, it's not a scam. This is a real life situation na nangyayari sa buhay ng mga kliyente namin. So yan guys, on Friday, I'm gonna get the other check. And next week, I'm going personally to Nueva Ecija and we will be delivering that check. Samahan niyo ako, we're gonna vlog that out.